Yes, sir. I need to see what this is all about. Okay, okay, here I come. Wait. Okay, I'll try. You gotta show me. All right. Oh, snap. Yeah, I love burnt marshmallows.
Okay, then you're fine.
Okay.
No suspicion.
Is that all you get is one? Is it? One per sandwich? Is that how it goes?
It'll ooze out. One is good.
One is good. It's enough to melt that chocolate?
Yes.
Really? All right. All righty. I mean, I used to roast hot dogs when we went fishing. My mom would get the knife and peel the stick at the end, and
Yep.
and we do the hot dogs
Oh, see, we didn't even peel the
while we
stick.
were fishing.
Took it, grabbed the stick, popped it on.
Really?
Yep.
These sticks I bought.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you bought them? Okay.
These are special.
They're sterilized.
Yeah.
Sterilized wood. Okay.
You're
Just
close.
joking. I don't know.
Getting close.
Too much?
Well, you can see the top where it's starting to get a little
No,
crispy.
don't listen to her. She's picky about her
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I want it to be burnt, and I don't want it to drip away too fast. So where do I need the crack? Okay, you're gonna put it where? You're gonna put it for me?
Whenever you're done.
When it's burnt.
Whenever you're done with your marshmallow.
Let's see how burnt, crispy. It's not burnt enough. Oh, it's getting there. I like that. Oh, it smells good too. Good God. This is the songbird cooking outside with the fire. Ooh, don't drop off. Don't you even try to go away.
All right, dogs. We're going out.
Look like it's on fire. Do, do, do. They got the marshmallow blues.
You gotta blow it out.
And they blowed it out now. Oop, and it looks like it's dripping. It's dripping. It's dripping. It's trying to get away. Oh, it's trying to get away.
Here, I'll finish it while
Do,
you
do, do,
do
do, do. Yeah. Maybe I want to eat the stick too. Oh,
It's gonna be hot.
oh, I know.
Give me this.
Okay.
Want me to have that while you eat it? You might
And that's the drippy droppy. Do, do, do. But is the chocolate really melted? Ooh, we're going to find out in a minute. That looks good right there. And I'm about to try it. Do, do. Let's see. It's very delicious. I love the burnt part the best. The chocolate really is melted. Give me the rest of mine. I want it. This is really good. This is good. Is it hot?
How was it?
It's delicious. Very delicious. Yep, it's bedtime. I want to stretch my legs. And that's why I'm about to blow Andre's phone up. I'm going to call 50 times until he answers. Y'all got no lights over there. How come y'all didn't pay y'all light bill? The lights are off over there. You didn't pay the light bill. Then y'all say that's your house, but y'all ain't got no lights in there. You got to go back to work so you pay that light bill. Jumping in the dark. I'm still jumping, having a good time anyway. Don't tell me the screen matches that back. All right, I'm about to blow his phone up now. Because, you can't have none. Big bugs, stay away. I got me a piece.
I'm on the way back. I'll get them on the way back to the car.
What, some ribs?
Yeah, I want some ribs. Be safe. I'm coming back.
Did you get a piece?
I'm gonna get a piece.
No, I did give me a piece of rib. I did do that.
Actually, I think I'm gonna do what I was doing. Fire!
All right.
Where can they see fireflies? Oh yeah, Ashlyn, Ella.
It was good to see you.
Oh my
Have a
God.
good night.
And you
I
too.
hope you enjoyed your s'more.
I just friend you. Okay. I just saw your face. I never, you didn't look for it.
Yeah,
It's-
I haven't been on there too long.
It just popped up.
Yup.
I'm like, wait, there's the people outside. Wait a minute. Okay.
Yup.
I wasn't looking. Just popped up.
I'll get it when I get home.
I need a soda to take home. Oh, there it is. See, great, my favorite. Just for me. There it is. Great, just the last one too. Great.
Geez, she got to secure the bag. Yes, sir.
You got what
Father's Day. Oh, it's for your dad? Yeah. I'm like,
you, well, you got what you wanted.
wait, Dexter's not here, right? I know, but he always calls me something.
Okay, when you do that, then
This is Dexter.
it looks like that lady we seen down south in the woods in Alabama.
Mom, I've been positive.
We were crossing the creek. We had to cross the creek. She was down at the creek.
Right here, I've been positive all this time.
She had so much hair up on her, just like that, and then she had it all over her whole body. She was naked with hair all over.
Don't take a picture.
I was 8 years old.
Turn your face.
Listen, I was 8 years old, and we had company from Texas came to visit. I said, I'm gonna show y'all the shortcut, cut down through the woods, go to the store. And there was this lady down there, just like that. It looked like that, like the way that looked around her forehead and stuff. It was. She was down by the creek getting some water with a little thing. She was naked and hairy all over her whole body. You know, we called her the cat lady, but she was a Sasquatch, Lady Sasquatch. Alabama, right down in the woods. We all ran up there. Some of the kids were rolling down the hill, trying to scream, talking about, it's gonna eat me. Screaming, running up the hill, trying to get back up the hill and stuff. It was steep hill too. You better know how to get up that hill quick now. And I know how to get up there. I had my bike with me and stuff. The other person, that boy, he had to drop his bike. He couldn't carry his bike and himself up that hill, trying to get away. They thought that lady was gonna do something to us. Went up in the house.
Get me away from that dog. Get into it.
But she did look like just like too. See, she can't see herself. Just like that. Just like, turn around, Ted, one more time. Ted, that's how that cat lady looked down south in the woods. That's what I'm trying to tell you. We were scared of her and went up in there. I told my mother about it, right? Guess what my mother said? I said, Ma, and all them 6 kids ran past me that was visiting. They wanted them sleeping all up in my bed. None of them. Sleep on the floor. I sleep on the floor with y'all. And my mother said, you know what your great-grandmother said? See, we down. I can't repeat that part.